Hey, there's just a quick video today. I'm Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. Today's video is about the shame spiral of marketing. This is something I see happening in marketing quite a bit. Here's what it looks like. We generally, I think in this culture, and specifically in the kind of more conscious business scene, feel very ashamed about marketing. We feel bad. We don't want to have to do it. Now, because we feel ashamed of it, we hide it. We try to pretend we're not. We either don't do it, which doesn't work, or we do it, but we try to do it in a covert, sneaky way. We're not trying to be sneaky. We're just trying not to be seen marketing. We're trying to do it in a hidden, stealth way. But because we're hiding it, since we're ashamed of it, when we get busted, that's even more shame. So somebody might say, oh, that felt pushy or aggressive or slimy or desperate or underhanded. Oh my God. If that ever happens, it just crushes us and we feel more shame. And what's the response to that? We have to hide it better. We either got to stop marketing, which creates its own downward spiral in terms of our business, or we just have to get better at hiding it. So then we fall prey to all these, headlines saying, learn the stealth ninja marketing tactics, how to unconsciously influence people. They'll never know you're doing it. That's what makes people vulnerable to it. It's not that we're not ashamed because marketing is shameful. It's just that we're ashamed. There's nothing shameful about sharing what we do. But when we're told that there is, of course, then I've got to hide it. You don't need to hide it. The desire to hide your marketing is what turns it into something that you wouldn't want to show people. So there you go. Quick video today. Hopefully that's helpful. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks for everyone who subscribed. If you want more of my work, tons of stuff on YouTube, but also go to marketingforhippies.com. There's a ton of free stuff there.